The big breakout is in sight. Guys, it is so close. We are going to see the big positive pump Bitcoin and XRP breakout extremely soon. And we're going to show you guys and give you timelines exactly on when that's going to happen. So guys, watch until the end. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. Welcome guys to a brand new video on the Crypto Geek channel. Today we are showing you guys the crypto charts, going through some Bitcoin charts as well to show you guys exactly the big breakout and when it's going to happen. Bitcoin guys, Bitcoin shockingly putting a bull pump out there. It's recovering very well comparative to what it was. It did pull in a $4,000 pump in a very short period of time. You're talking in about, a few hours. We've increased $4,000. Went from that 32 range to that 36 range right now, and it's currently on a positive way up. Now, of course, it is down from its 43,000, so we are currently in a retrace. But what we are seeing is that there is a recovery upside and that the pump is extremely close. Not only are we showing you guys this, but we're actually going to compare it to the 2018 Bitcoin chart. But before we jump further into Bitcoin, let's have a quick look at XRP. XRP is still currently down. As you guys can see, it is down, and it hasn't started its recovery phase yet. Currently at 59 cents, so it is even lower than what it was. In fact, it was at 197 earlier in April 2021, and in 2022, the January 2022, it really started to dip all the way down to what it is now. Having a quick look at the XRP price chart, everything looking amazing. This is exactly what I expected, and I know a lot of you guys might be confused. How does this look good? It's down. XRP is at 59 cents. How is it good? Well, this is why. Because not only do I see it looking like it's gonna break out extremely soon, go back into the positives, into the greens, but I do see a replication of this exact phase in 2018, the exact replication, and we'll have a quick zoom in. There you go. This is where we were in 2018. Do you see what happened in 2018 right here? So if I do a quick zoom, we are currently, and to be exact, we are in this phase right here. So what has just happened is you had a dump. So you had that dump, and then we are now in the recovery phase. So what I believe is that what's going to happen is, see this dump that happened right here? We've already peaked at the lows. Now it's more of the consolidation. We're going to sit here a bit, and then we're going to get the pump. Now this pump is not going to be huge. Again, it wasn't a huge pump even back then. Looking at it right now, it's actually kind of small. It is very small. But the idea is that that's going to push us back into our stable prices. So you're going to see maybe XRP go back. Let's see how many percent to be more specific so they can give some valid numbers here. But so it went up 90%, which is pretty good, to be honest, from that pump. So if we check 90% from now, you're talking about $1.10, $1.12, somewhere around that. But we're really going to sit in a consolidation phase. It's going to be really consolidated. We're not going to move for some time, and you're going to see a lot of people leave. I think people are going to believe that's the end of the crypto market, and this is going to last 123 days from the real or from the pump here, somewhere around that, 123 days from the pump that we have all the way until the beginning start of the pump. And then after that is when you will really start to see the big pump that we are really expecting, that we call the bull run. Everything other than this pump is not a bull run pump. It's not. It's a fake out pump. But this pump is what we really like to call the real bull run pump, because this is what really hits all-time highs. And if we go back to our recent charts, this is our current price chart. We just hit the low. So what we're looking at right now is a recovery that should hit, bringing us all the way back. It's going to probably pull in a 90% gain, bringing us over that $1 mark. And this is exactly what we've expected. This is exactly what we wanted. We wanted that to happen, and that way you kind of confirm the replications. And of course, what you guys really have to understand here is that the charts are replicating each other. I've mentioned this so many times, and I keep on mentioning it. This is a replication of 2018, an exact replica. Another correlation that we have to understand is Bitcoin charts. The Bitcoin chart is a correlation with the XRP. XRP follows the Bitcoin chart. And what we've noticed is that they're very closely linked together. If I show you a quick example, here's XRP, and I'll quickly take this off of here. You're going to have on XRP the spike, then the cup, and then the dip, the spike, and the down. Right? Keep that in mind. Pump, dip, pump, dip, pump, dip. Here's the Bitcoin price chart. Pump, then you have the dip and the cup, then you have the dump, then you have the pump and the dump. So it's an exact correlation, guys. It is identical. It is literally identical. That, like, I don't see anything different. And if Bitcoin can get past the $37,806.82, also known as 0.236 Fibonacci extension, you're going to see it really fly past predictions. It's going to skyrocket. And that means that the crypto market is still pushing through. Now, that doesn't mean I'm crazy bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin did have majority of its run take place already. I don't think it's going to hit that 100K mark. But the idea is that if Bitcoin is still running and it still is able to go back into that $43,000 mark, plus after doing so, consolidate, and this is all that we want. We don't even want a pump like this. We want a consolidation, a straight line consolidation. That means the altcoins can take the opportunity to really pump up the market for them, since a lot of money will start not leaving the crypto market, but will leave Bitcoin and shift onto other currencies, with the price of Bitcoin being relatively stable. So let me give it to you guys straightforward. The only way crypto market is going to boom and alt seasons are going to pump are if there's new money into the crypto market causing the altcoins to pump. So rather than new money coming into Bitcoin, it comes into altcoins. If you have Bitcoin lose value, so people are taking money out of Bitcoin and investing it into altcoins, that is bad, because that doesn't mean the altcoins are going to pump. That means Bitcoin is going to crash, and with it, it's going to take out the entire crypto altcoin market. So what we do have to understand is, as much as we might not like Bitcoin, we really have to understand its value. And it is so important to have Bitcoin be in the positives, because if it's not, it means the crypto market is done. And this is coming from me, somebody that really doesn't like Bitcoin, because I feel like it's overvalued and it has zero use case whatsoever. But what I do have to say is its importance in the crypto market is high. It is extremely important to have Bitcoin in the green, because the second it's not in the green, people lose trust in crypto as a whole. So what is the XRP breakout point going to be? Very quickly, what we're going to do here is find out a quick calculation. We're going to take the ruler right here, check from where we believe we are, which is at this point, drag it all the way until the start of the bull run pump, and it turns out it's exactly 114 days. So what we're going to do is we're also going to go to 2013 and calculate that. In 2013, it was only 23 days. And if we divide the 21 by the 114, we're going to get approximately 18%. Now, if we take 18%, adding on the 214 days, we're going to get a total of 252 days from the fake out all the way into the very big pump. So what does this mean? What this means is in 215 days, not on the mark, but within 215 days, we're going to see a breakout pump. And that breakout pump is going to be pretty significant. It is going to be the big breakout pump that is really going to bring us to the moon. And that is what everybody's been waiting for. Waiting for that one big pump that really makes us hit these all-time highs, that we can at least call, okay, you know what, the $3 mark being hit. So we at least need to pass the all-time high, which is at least $3, I think, USD, because the all-time high for XRP is 328. So it has to pass 328. So once we hit that 328 mark and it speeds past it, then you'll know, okay, this is the big pump, and you'll actually understand, at least then, that the correlation between 2021's bull run and 2018's bull run is still in sight, and that it's going to continue its pattern. Now, of course, we're going to see that pump that brings us all the way to its all-time high. Then you're going to see the dump, and then you're going to have to wait another 4 years of consolidation, the reaccumulation phase, and then a repetition of the cycle. So again, we are currently still on the lookout. I'm trying to monitor the charts every single few hours just to see how things are going and just to make sure the patterns are still on site and are still following what we predicted. Nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want more TA videos, technical analysis, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully I'll be able to actually upload another SEC versus Ripple case analysis as well. So let me know what you guys want. Do you guys want more technical analysis? Do you want more lawsuit? Or which crypto do you want me to make a video on? Let me know all that in the comment section below. Please hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Just quick disclaimer, none of this is financial advice or legal advice. So this is not financial or legal advising. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.